A revolutionary AI tool is available now for public with some familiar video examples like Sora, and the best part is it is completely free. You may remember this detailed old man example from Sora video, except this video is created by Kling AI. And if we compare these videos side by side, in the left side, we have Sora's original video for this old man, while Kling image in the right side has amazing details with the supernatural eyeballs movements. And after playing with settings and adding more creativity, this tool amazed me even more. See how accurate is people movements in the background, and if we look closely, we can see how these two peoples moving behind the old man without any distort or deformation in the hairs. And these kind of details are mind-blowing and revolutionary. Using this tool, head over to Google and search for klingai.com. This is Kling AI website interface, and you could use your email address to start using this tool for free, and you will get 66 credits per day. This is Kling AI interface, and there is two main parts: AI images and AI videos, and video editor will be available soon. There are video templates available in the first page, and if you scroll on the videos, you can preview them, and if you click on these videos, you can see these videos in full screen. For example, this is the original image used for this video: a hunting dragon, laying sand, and fantasy film. Also, you could clone and try these videos or download them using this button here. And for now, we want to try AI videos, and there are two parts: text to video and image to video. Let's try text to video first. I will paste the prompt: an astronaut standing still on the moon, watching a beautiful cinematic view of the rotating planet Earth. Let's just use the default setting, and we could choose aspect ratio from 1:1 to 16:9 for this example, and each generation will cost 10 credits for us. Let's generate this, and I end with this amazing result: that acceptable for a single line prompt. And as we know from the previous compares, if we use AI generated images, we will get better results. And now let's try image to video. For this example, I want to add this beautiful maiden image from my previous CG Dream video, and as we know for detailed result, it's better to use blank prompt area. Also, you could choose between creativity and the relevance. I want to use default 0.5 for this example in professional mode, and 10-second generations are limited for premium users only. Okay, let's click on generate, and I end with this amazing result with these mesmerizing movements. I repeat the same process for this cheap image. Firstly, I set the creativity to 0, then I increase the creativity to 0.2 and 0.4. Then I add this car with blank prompt area, and I try to move this car using this prompt, but Kling AI add another moving car in the background. I choose this for images in different categories to compare Kling AI with Luma, Pika, Runway ML, and Hyper AI. This is Alicia image from my previous Pixar music video. Alicia is walking with Luma, while Kling AI adds zoom out effect to her, with mesmerizing background animation in both tools. This warrior image is from Up Next CG Dream video, and while Pika add lip movements to him, Kling add detailed movements to eyes and hairs. I get this orc image from Planet, Angels and Demons series, and both Runway and Kling AI add minor head movements to this orc. And finally, both Hyper and Kling AI add mesmerizing physics and head movements to the sprite. And please let me know about your experiences in the description below. And thanks for supporting channel with your likes, comments, and of course subscribing channel. And please share this video link with your friends to join us in one-click tutorials AI adventure.